guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to take out the DVD drive in one of these unibody MacBooks. And yeah, let's just get straight into it by just moving all of this aside. That was for the thumbnail, if it showed up as the thumbnail. But so this is going to be a shorter video than usual. So, yeah. So first things first, flip over the MacBook, get our screwdriver bit. And we are only going to need one bit for this, I believe. I believe so. Oh no, my bits are getting mixed up. Okay, so we have our bit ready to go, and we are going to screw out the bottom case screws. Okay. Come on, camera. Okay. Going to screw out the bottom case screws. Put it on our iFixit magnetic pad that I will leave a link in down below. And the logic boards on iFixit have still not been in stock. I will also leave a link to those in the description below if you are interested in getting one, but they're not in stock yet. So, I just love these upgradable MacBooks, even though I have never used them before. Okay, the 3 long screws come out last. And I don't know, when I unscrew a lot of stuff, I'm very quiet for some reason. I don't care about that. It's just a video. Oh yeah, and I have downloaded an editing software. I don't know how to use it yet. Find out later. And over here is the DVD drive. So, first things, actually we need 2 bits for this. But first things first, disconnect that battery. So, have our spudger here. And we can just disconnect that battery. There we go. And we can take our Torx bit and unscrew those 2 battery screws. This battery indicator connector always gets disconnected for some reason. Now we can unscrew the other Torx screw that is holding in the battery. And now we can lift that battery out. And remove it, put it aside. Now that we have the battery removed, I am going to disconnect 4 connectors to remove this DVD drive. So, now that we have that out of the way, we can unscrew the speaker so that we can get to the DVD drive. And if you're wondering why I had to remove the speaker, well, it's because the DVD drive, the speaker sits on top of it, the DVD drive, and I have to remove the speaker for clearance. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, you can see here, that's part of the DVD drive. So we can just unscrew the 3 screws that are holding in the DVD drive. And then we can remove it and put it back in. Alright, now that we have those screws out, we can just remove our DVD drive. And there's the DVD drive, and there's where it goes. Pretty nice. Okay, so now we can put our DVD drive back in. Just sits in there nicely. And then we can screw back our 3 mounting screws for our DVD drive. I might make another video later this week because this one was a little shorter than usual. So, yeah. So now that we have the screws in, can just screw the speaker back in and route that display backlight cable in. Just line everything up and screw the speaker in. Alright, now that we have that out of the way, we can just plug this connector back in. And just put that little piece of tape back. And then connect the speaker by just aligning the cable up in there. So I can get the connector aligned. Alright, there we go. Now we can connect the DVD drive itself. And then connect our SSD. And then we can put our battery back in. It just slides right in there. And we can connect it through those mounting screws back in. Alright, now that we have those 2 mounting screws back in, we can put our bottom panel back in, which we should probably dust out because it is quite a little dusty in there. You can see. Yeah, there's some dust. So let's move that MacBook out of the way for a second. And just go ahead and clean that very not dusty air vent. I need the best airflow. Alright, now that we have that out of the way, we can put our back panel onto the MacBook. Put it onto the MacBook. And then we can put that Torx bit back in our iFixit thing. And then screw back the mounting screws. And I do the first 4 corners first. Alright, now that we have those 2 screws in, we can screw the 4 middle screws back in. Just put those 2 screws in first. Screw them in. Now we can screw in the 2 side screws to make it look, I don't know what to say for that part. But we are almost done, and we can screw back the last screw. Alright, so here we go. Our MacBook. And this is, I don't know, I just don't know what to say to you. But this is just, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found this helpful, please leave a like, and I'll leave all my tools, iFixit stuff in the description below, except for the prices. I don't know where I bought them. But yeah, and please like and subscribe. I don't know, I keep saying things over and over again. But whatever, just like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I don't know what to say today. Oh my God.